Welcome back to Land of Ideas. Today we are stepping into a miniature world full of beauty, patience, and art. The fascinating world of bonsai trees. Recently, I visited a beautiful bonsai garden and I was amazed by how these tiny trees carry the appearance of full sized ancient forest. But bonsai is not just gardening, it's an art, a philosophy, and a lifestyle. In this video, we will explore everything about bonsai, its history, meaning, type, benefits, and even how you can grow your own bonsai at home. The word bonsai comes from Japanese meaning planted in a container. Bonsai is the art of growing and shaping miniature trees in pots and designed to look like full size trees in nature. Unlike regular plants, bonsai trees are carefully trained through pruning, wiring, and patience. There are many types of bonsai trees depending on species and style. Some popular bonsai trees include Juniper Bonsai. Almost any tree species can be turned into a bonsai. The history of bonsai dates back over 1,000 years, and it's actually origined in China, where it was known as painting, and later the art was adopted and refined in Japan, where it became what we now know as bonsai. And over the time, bonsai spread across the world and became a global art form admired by gardeners, artists, and nature lovers. Bonsai trees are used in many different places like home as a decorative indoor plants, gardens for aesthetics, landscaping, offices to create a calm environment, and exhibitions and museums as living art. In many cultures, bonsai is also considered a symbol of peace, patience, and harmony with nature. Let's start with one of the most iconic bonsai tree is the juniper. If you have ever seen a bonsai tree with a dramatic twisted trunk and the green foliage, chances are it was a juniper. What makes juniper so popular is its flexibility. Its branches are easy to shape, which makes it perfect for beginners and who are just learning the art of wiring and styling. But there is something important many people don't know. Juniper bonsai is actually an outdoor tree and it needs fresh air, sunlight, and seasonal changes to truly thrive. Keeping it indoor for too long can be weaken it. And visually, juniper bonsai often gives that ancient tree on a mountain feeling, and that's why it is one of the most used trees in traditional bonsai display. Now, if you are looking for something more beginner friendly and suitable for indoor environment, the Ficus Bonsai is a great choice. And it can tolerate low humidity, less sunlight, and even occasional mistakes, which makes it ideal for beginners. One of its most beautiful feature is its aerial roots as it grows. Roots can be extend from the branches down into the soil and creating a very unique and artistic look. The leaves are usually small and glossy, giving the trees a clean and elegant appearance. Ficus bonsai is often seen as a symbol of stability and calmness and making it perfect for homes, offices, and indoor decoration. If you are just starting your bonsai journey, this is one of the safest and most rewarding choice. Pine bonsai trees are deeply connected with traditional Japanese bonsai culture. These trees are not just plants, they are long term projects. Pine bonsai can live for decades, even centuries, if properly cared for. Some of the oldest bonsai trees in the world are pines. What makes pine special is its strong structure appearance. The needles, the bark, and the overall shapes give it a very mature and powerful look even when the tree is small. However, pine bonsai require more patience and skill. It does not grow as quickly as other trees and shaping it takes time and experience. But for those who are committed, pine bonsai becomes a lifelong masterpiece, something that can be even be passed down through generation. If there is one of bonsai tree that truly capture attention instantly, it is the maple bonsai. Known for its stunning seasonal color, maple bonsai changes throughout the year and bright green in spring, deep green in summer, and other red, oranges, and yellow in autumn. The transformation makes it one of the most visual appealing bonsai type. Unlike juniper or pine, maple bonsai feels softer and more delicate. Its leaves are broad and its structure gives a more natural flowing appearance. However, it does require proper care, especially protection from extreme heat or strong sunlight, as the leaves can burn easily. Maple bonsai is perfect for those who appreciate beauty, change, and natural cycle of season. Now let's talk about bonsai styles. The formal upright style is one of the most traditional and structured bonsai style. In this style, the tree grows perfectly straight with a strong vertical trunk and the branches are arranged in a balanced and symmetrical way, creating a very clean and disciplined look. It represents stability, strength, and order, like a tree growing in an open field without any obstacles. This style may look simple, but achieving perfect balance in it require great skill. Unlike the formal upright style, the informal upright style embrace natural movement. The trunk bend and curve as it grows upward, just like trees in a nature and adopt a wind, light, and surroundings. This style feels more relaxed and realistic. It tells a story of a tree that has faced challenges but continue to grow. Because of its natural look, this is one of the most popular bonsai style among beginners and professional alike. The cascade style is one of the most dramatic and eye-catching bonsai style. In this design, the tree grows downward below the base of the pot, almost like it's hanging off a cliff. This style is inspired by trees that grow on mountain sides and where harsh winds and gravity force them to grow downward. It represents survival in extreme conditions, and creating a cascade bonsai requires careful wiring and planning, but the result is truly stunning and unique. Forest style takes bonsai to another level. Instead of single tree, multiple trees are planted together to create a miniature forest scenes, and the trees are arranged in a way that look natural with variations in height, spacing, and direction. This style creates depth and making it feel like you are looking at a real forest in nature, just in a smaller form. It is not just about growing trees, it's about creating a complete landscape. Growing a bonsai tree may look difficult, but with patience, anyone can do it. Here is how you can start. Choose the right plant, pick a suitable type like ficus or juniper. And number two, select a pot. use a shallow bonsai pot with proper drainage. Number 3, soil preparation and use well draining bonsai soil mix. Number 4, pruning. Trim branches and roots regularly to maintain the shape. Number 6, watering. Keep soil moist but avoid overwatering. Number 7, sunlight. Provide proper sunlight depending on the type. And remember, bonsai is all about patience. It can be takes years of achieve a perfect shape. Beginners often makes these mistakes. Number 1, overwatering, using wrong soil, lack of sunlight, and pruning too much or too little. Avoiding these mistakes will help your bonsai grow healthy and beautiful. Bonsai trees offer many benefits. Number 1, mental relaxation, caring for bonsai reduce stress. Number 2, improves focus and patience. Number 3, enhance creativity. Number 4, and beautifies your space. And number 5th, connects your with nature. Many people consider bonsai a form of medications because it requires calmness and attention. During my visit to Bonsai Garden, I was truly inspired by the dedication behind each tree. Some trees were decade old, carefully shaped over time. It made me realize that bonsai is not just about growing plants, it's about growing patience and creativity. And bonsai is more than just a hobby, and it's art, discipline, and journey. Whether you are a beginner or a plant lover, bonsai can bring peace and beauty into your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Land of Ideas. Let me know in the comments, would you try growing your own bonsai tree?